we've got Tuli's here. She's the only one. Hi, I'm Stephanie.
And I'm Joe, and we're going to show you how to assemble your Indi nightstand.
All you need is a rubber mallet like this. You could buy it on our website, and if you don't have one, that's okay. We do send you a rubber hammer cap that you can put on a household hammer. And that's it. You need a screwdriver as well, but it's pretty easy. So we're gonna clear out our space and get started.
Let's do it.
All right. For step one, you want to attach your feet to the bottom panel using the JCB bolt and the Allen key provided. So you want to take your JCB bolt and your Allen key and insert the bolt through the hole with the larger route, line it up with the hole on your foot, and just use the Allen key to secure into place. A little tip is we like to make sure that the foot is square with the sides before you do the final attachment. Perfect. Attach the remaining 3 feet the same way.
Next, lean one side panel against the wall and get ready to attach your back panel, connecting the green connectors to the slots on the side panel. Use your mallet if you need a little extra help getting the connectors into the slots. Push down to lock into place. Now repeat with the remaining side. Flip the piece onto its back, gently flare out the sides, and ask your friend for help putting in the bottom panel.
I'm so happy to help you, Joe. Okay, so you want to insert the top as well as the bottom panel at the same time, and just pay attention to the back sticker and to this little magnet that's on the front. You want to make sure that the magnet is arranged like so, and that the back sticker is facing the back.
Once all of the green connectors are lined up with the slots on the case, again, using your mallet, if you need a little extra help, then you're going to push down to lock everything into place. Feel free to use your mallet if you need a little extra help getting everything flush.
Next, you're going to attach your Indi pull to your door face by using the screws provided and a household screwdriver. Okay, so at this point you get to decide if you want to install your door with the hinges on the right side or the left side. And we're going to show you how to do it both ways. Make sure the hardware is in the extended position like this, and then line it up with the hinge hardware that's attached to the case interior, and just press until you hear a click. Okay, for this step you can use a household screwdriver, or if you have a power drill you could use that too, whichever you prefer. You want to start by unscrewing the hinge hardware that's attached to the side of the case and attach it to the opposite side. Okay, using the same 2 screws per each hinge hardware, you want to reattach it to the case side and be sure that this U-shaped part is facing the exterior of the case. Once you have securely reattached the hinge hardware, you are going to detach the magnetic catch from the underside of the nightstand top. Now attach it to the opposite side using the same screws. Next, you are going to change the location of the magnetic catch on the inside of the door to the opposite side. So unscrew from its original position and just relocate it using the pilot hole. Now all that's left to do is attach your door. Just make sure your hardware is in the extended position, line it up with the hinge hardware on the inside of the nightstand, and press until you hear a click. And that's it. So just place your nightstand, style it, and you're done.